To start a discussion on efficient case writing, we have to first understand what kind of cases are we going to be facing at the CFE. There are only two kinds of cases, multi-competency ones and comprehensive ones. These multi-competency ones are called multis and they're short in length. They're the ones you'll find on day 3. The comprehensive ones are called comps and they're longer. They're the ones you'll find on days 1 and 2. These terms multi and comp come from the old UFE exam days. In the modern times, we would just call them day 3 cases, day 2 cases, and day 1 cases. So these day 3 multi cases are small, like 45 to 90 minutes in length. They have multiple competencies inside them, which means they're tested on a variety of competency areas. For example, FR, tax, finance, and so on. The day 2 cases are long. They're 5 hours. They have 3 competencies, FR, MA, and your specific role. Lastly, the day 1 cases. They're also comprehensive. They're 4 hours in length, and they test you on enabling competencies. Again, this is why I like to call CFE the 4-5-4 exam. It's a quick reminder how many hours each of the days is. Day 1 is 4, day 2 is 5, and day 3 is 4. Alright, let's look at an example day 1 case. It's about 12 to 13 pages long. As you can see, it shows the time limit in minutes. It's always in minutes. It starts off with an introduction, then index of appendices, then appendix 1, 2, and so on. In the coming lesson, we'll see a detailed breakdown of each component of the day 1 case. Here's an example of a day 2 case. It's about 40 pages long. It explains that there is a common component and a role component. The common component has requirements on FR and or MA, and the role has requirements on your specific role that you've picked, which is going to be based on the elective you've chosen. The index here shows which appendix refers to which component. For example, appendices 1 to 3 are for common, while for appendix 4 is for the role. The case then begins with background information and then the requirements for your role. Lastly, here's an example of a day 3 case. It's about 7 pages long. It shows the suggested time. It has various paragraphs with case facts and requirements. It's then followed by appendices similar to day 1 and day 2 cases. That's all. These are the cases we work with. As you can see, it's pretty much the same format. It's background information, then appendices. Background information, then appendices. The way we approach and the way we write each of these cases is different though, and we'll learn that in the coming lessons.